Hi, boys and girls. How are you? Mrs. Freeland here. Hey, we are going to work on reading today and reading pattern books. And the one thing that we're going to work on today is really paying attention to the pictures and noticing when the pictures change. You did a great job yesterday of following the words with your finger and noticing when the words started to change pattern. And so today I want you to notice when the picture changes pattern. And that's going to be another clue that the words will most likely change pattern. So boys and girls, remember one of my favorite books, Go to the Tub and Scrub with Soap and Water, Trouble with Bubbles, right? So remember the first few pictures were really the same. The animals were going to get towels. They get a towel, right? And they get soap. And then another animal comes to, says, we're dirty, we need to be clean. And then they get towels and soap. So boys and girls, the words were similar until the pictures started to change, right? And we know the pictures started to change when the animals got in the tub, right? And then the words changed. So boys and girls, I'm going to show you a book how we can really watch and see when the pictures change, and that's going to be a hint that the words are changing too. So this book is called My Hands. Let's read this one together. My hands are good for lifting. This page has hands, and then this is what the hands do. Ooh, I see a pattern here. Here's the hand. Here's what it does. My hands are good for touching. My hands are good for waving. There's the hand. There's what it does. My hands are good for holding. My hands are good for drawing. My hands are good for writing. My hands are good for pointing. He's saying, look at that. Oh, look, boys and girls. This one doesn't have a hand here, and the picture looks different. My hands are good for clapping. So this is how the book ends. So boys and girls, the pictures kind of changed a little bit, and the end of the story was that change, right? But it still said my hands. So boys and girls, when we read, I want you to notice when the pictures start to change and be very careful, like in my book, Trouble with Bubbles, when the pictures changed, that's when the words changed, okay? So right there, those animals got all in that tub. All right, boys and girls, I'm sure you are very sharp readers. You're going to follow along with your finger. You're going to use the cover and the first couple pictures and words to see the pattern. You're going to read through that pattern book. And this time you're really going to pay attention to the pattern of the pictures. All right. Have a great day reading.